Welcome to Prime Product Picks. The best leather repair kit is probably one of the most essential tools for anyone who owns leather goods. From minor scratches to more significant tears, leather items can suffer damage over time. This video will guide you through the process of selecting the right repair kit, ensuring your leather items look their best and last longer, saving you money and preserving the value of your belongings. Number 5. Furniture Clinic Dark Brown Leather Recoloring Balm. Is your leather furniture looking worn? This balm is designed to restore scratches and revitalize faded hues. It provides a vibrant finish and protects your leather from future damage. This leather repair solution removes wear, stains, and fading. Designed for couches and furniture, it restores natural tones and prevents cracking, peeling, and fading, preserving the texture. Revive your leather furniture with this easy-to-use recoloring balm. It restores color, repairs scratches, and protects from sun damage. It ensures a polished, durable finish for all your leather goods. This product has earned the Good Housekeeping seal. It was rigorously tested by expert scientists and engineers. Their evaluation included product effectiveness, packaging, and marketing claims. We're here to help you get the best results. Our team is available to answer any questions you may have before or after your purchase. We are committed to your satisfaction. What we like. This product is perfect for restoring faded leather and protecting it from future damage. If you have furniture that has seen better days, this is a great choice. It also has the Good Housekeeping seal, so you can trust it will deliver the results you want. What people say. Following the instructions, I cleaned the leather with the Furniture Clinic cleaner, then followed with the Furniture Clinic conditioner. I used the cleaner on the soiled areas, the armrests and the cushions, but cautioned the entire seating area. I then applied the recoloring balm and OMG, what a transformation. Number 4. COCONIX Leather and Vinyl Repair Kit. Tired of looking at those unsightly tears and scratches? This kit is your all-in-one solution for repairing leather and vinyl items. It's designed to make the process simple and stress-free. Join over 1 million satisfied customers worldwide who have trusted this kit to restore their favorite items. They have successfully brought their items back to their original condition. With a full spectrum of colors and an easy-to-follow mixing guide, you can create the perfect match. From brown to black, or any color in between, it's easy to get a seamless repair. This formula is made to last. The repairs are flexible and durable, so your fix will last as long as your favorite item does. No more flaky or stiff repairs. Whether it's cracks, scratches, burns, or peeling, this kit can handle it. It can restore your items from various types of damage, including discoloration and faded areas. Use it on leather couches, car seats, jackets, and more. Whether it's real leather, faux leather, or vinyl, this kit has you covered. It's versatile and easy to use. Need help with a tricky repair? The team of experts offers free personalized advice. They are ready to help you handle any repair with confidence. What we like. This kit offers an all-in-one solution with customizable colors, ensuring a perfect match for your needs. If you're looking for a versatile kit that can handle various types of damage and surfaces, this is the one. It's designed to last, so you can be confident in its durability. What people say. So, following the directions, I mixed the black and cream colors to arrive at the shade of black of my dash. I applied the mix using the provided spatula and then, to give it the more pebbled look of the leather, I lightly pressed the repaired area with the backing material provided in the kit. To my surprise, the process was quick and easy, taking maybe 15 minutes. And the dash looks great. The kit contained enough repair compound to fix the damage. The color matching was a bit tricky but will allow you to match almost any color with patience and practice mixing colors. Easy to use with good instructions. Repaired a dining room chair seat deep scratch and looks unblemished. Number 3. Cindy's Tape Leather Repair Patch Kit. Introducing a simple solution for your damaged leather items. This repair kit is designed for ease of use, making it perfect for anyone looking to restore their furniture or belongings. Made with high-grade leather, this tape meets EU environmental standards. It's safe for you and your family, ensuring both quality and peace of mind. No heat, ironing, or tools are needed. Just peel, stick, and you're done. This self-adhesive tape provides a strong and durable repair in minutes. This tape can quickly fix rips, tears, and scratches on various surfaces. It's ideal for sofas, car seats, and even your favorite jackets. Use it on leather, vinyl, and more. It's perfect for a variety of items, bringing your favorite pieces back to life with ease. Each roll is approximately 60 inches long. If you have any questions, our customer service team is available 24/7 to assist you. What we like. This tape is incredibly easy to use, requiring no special tools or skills. If you like a quick and simple fix for minor damage, this is ideal. It's also self-adhesive, making the application process a breeze. What people say. Slightly thicker than the vinyl I was patching, but the color and texture are a seamless blend. Adheres easily. Sticks very well, but not too well. Number 2. Furniture Clinic Leather Repair Paint. Is your leather looking worn or faded? This product is designed to restore and recolor your leather items. It can bring them back to life. With 16 colors available, you can match the paint to your leather. You can even change the color completely. The paint dries flexibly and prevents future damage. It penetrates the leather fibers for full coverage and protects against discoloration. Apply it by brush, sponge, or spray. It dries quickly, and you can use the item after 24 hours. This kit is a color restorer that seals itself when drying. This eliminates the need for a final finish coat. It repairs scuffs, scratches, and color loss on sofas, cars, clothing, and handbags. This product is suitable for all your leather items. What we like. This product combines sealing and coloring in one, making the repair process efficient. If you want to restore or even change the color of your leather, this is a great option. It also prevents future damage, ensuring your leather stays in top condition. What people say. I used this product to recolor the captain's chairs in our RV that were damaged by a former owner's cat. After cleaning the chairs and trimming the tags around some of the holes, I used COCONIX vinyl and leather repair to repair the hole in the arm and fill most of the claw holes. Application is super easy. Easy to apply, dried quickly with hairdryer on cool setting. Transformed my leather chair to look new again. Covered cat scratches and crease marks on the seat cushion. Number 1. ARCSSAI Black Leather Repair Kit. Is your leather looking worn and damaged? This kit is designed to repair scratches, tears, and holes, bringing it back to its original condition. It's easy to use and gives professional results. You don't need to be a professional to fix your leather items. The kit comes with a simple guide, making the repair process straightforward. It's perfect for anyone looking to restore their leather goods. This kit works on various black leather items, including car interiors, furniture, and accessories. It's designed to match any shade of black, ensuring a seamless repair. You can restore almost anything with it. Get professional quality results without the professional price tag. The kit includes high-quality adhesive and detailed instructions. It helps you repair damage and make your leather look new again. We're confident you'll love this product. If you're not satisfied, we're here to help. We offer a guarantee to ensure you're completely happy with your purchase. What we like. This kit is designed for ease of use, delivering professional-looking results. If you are looking for a kit that can handle any black leather damage, this is the one. It is also suitable for all types of leather. What people say. My black leatherette car seats have faded over the last 15 years, so I really appreciated having a white to adjust the pigmentation as relative to my seats. This product did a great job of concealing and fixing the damage. I went over it twice, with 24 hours in between the applications. I also used black shoe polish after it was dry and then buffed it. When I handed it to him, he asked me which side was the damaged one. So to me that was a good indication of success. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.